In primetime news this evening, explosive development. CMU boss Professor Fritz Pinnock takes leave of absence. Opposition senators walk out of sitting after clash with Senate President.
If it is your desire to run a parliament where the majority muzzles the minority, do that without my presence.
And tackling the robbery plague in St. Elizabeth, the business community offers solutions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Shanella Precious.
And I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, we will have the business news.
That's right, Herman. There's also Primetime Sports in this package, and Jordan Ford has our preview.
Yes, Janella. Well, Shelley and Fraser Price that showed that there was no need to worry about her after she finished down the track less than a week ago, as she was back to winning ways today and in a speedy time as well. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
Okay, good. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, our feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, what is your reaction to the president of the Caribbean Maritime University taking a leave of absence to facilitate investigations into the entity?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.